Hello juniors and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn vowels letter. Well, now you are thinking that what is vowel letters are. I know what is vowel letter. Well, so for those who do not know what is vowel letter, let's learn with me. First of all, this is our alphabets family. We have alphabet from A to Z. The total number of alphabet are 26. We have 26 letter in our alphabet family, right? That is A to Z, as we all know. Now, this alphabet family has two type of letter, right? This alphabet family has two type of letter. Now we will discuss these two types, right? This is our alphabet family. We have categorized. First type of alphabet is consonant. Consonants. You repeat with me. C-O-N, con. We will learn with syllable. Kids, let's repeat with me. C-O-N, con. S-O, so. Conso. N-A-N-N, consonant. T-S, consonants. Well, first type is consonant and the second type is vowel. Vowel or vowels. Well, this is not, first of all, this is not vowels. This is not vowels. This is vowel. These are two types of our alphabet family. Now, you are thinking right now, what is vowel letter and what is consonants letter? I mean, what's the difference between vowel letter and consonants letters? Now, vowel letters fit in our hand. Now you are thinking, what? What is this? Vowel letters fit in our this hand. It simply means vowel letters are five in numbers. There are five vowel letters in alphabet family and remaining are our consonant. Now the question is, what is vowel letter? So I have a poem for you for I have a poem for you to learn vowel letter easily. Now this is a sketch of my hand. I draw it to make your concept more easier. All right. Now I will tell you a poem about vowels letter. Hope you will enjoy this poem. So, listen carefully. Vowels from the alphabets, we call them by their names. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. We call them by their names. Vowels from the alphabets, we call them by their names. A, E, I, O, U. Let's repeat with me. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. We call them by their names. Well, hope you guys, hope you kids enjoy my poem. These are our vowel letter, right? Now, vowels are total 5 in numbers. That is A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Well, These are vowel letter and the remaining are our consonant. Consonant. Well, as maybe you know, guys, that with vowel letter we always put an. For example, we have apple here. The first letter of apple is A. The sound of A is A. No. So what we will put with apple? An apple or a apple? No. The first letter of A is A. Sorry, the first letter of apple is A. A is our vowel letter, so we always put an with vowel, right? Alright, if I put here, sorry, I'll write here a ball. B, the first letter of ball is B. B is a consonant, not a vowel. So we will put a ball. An apple, a ball. Hope you guys learned the difference between consonant and vowel and learn the concept of vowel letter. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Keep supporting